Today, we're going to have a look at painting a graded blue sky with a brush. Hi, welcome back. So what we're going to do here today is we're going to actually use some of the paints that we've been mixing. I've done a few sky mixes recently, and I wanted to just show you how you can actually get them down on canvas. So I'm just throwing together a quick mix here. I'm just using ultramarine blue and titanium white. Very roughly mixing those with the palette knife. No need to be too careful with it because the brush is going to mix them as we pick the paint up. And putting the spot of linseed oil there on the palette. Now the reason for that is that the paint that we've just mixed is straight from the tube and likely to be a bit stiff. So if you load the bristles of the brush with a little bit of oil, not too much, just a little bit, that'll keep it nice and fluid as you apply it to the canvas. So you can see what I'm doing here is painting lines of the various different tones as we go down through the blue from darker colours at the top down to the washed out colours at the horizon. And we're coming down here to the horizon line. Wipe the brush off and just tidy up that bottom edge. Now, without cleaning the brush again and without picking up any more paint, what we're going to do is work our way gradually back to the top, blending together all those colours. And the mix that the brush is dipped into on your canvas there is going to get progressively darker. Same effect exactly with the second case here. We're going to take the washed out colour from the sky at the horizon, mix it in underneath where the landscape is going to be, and once again, without cleaning the brush, work our way back up to the top of the canvas, just blending in any sharp edges that you can see. There you go, nice and easy. So that's definitely one to practice, even just on bits of cardboard, old bits of paper, whatever it's going to be, but a very, very useful technique that. As always, thank you very much for watching. Take it easy, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.